Thought I would know better. That's wishful thinking, that there be no pressure. That's wishful drinking, is anything fun?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today makeup look, I have something very similar to the last two videos that I post on my YouTube channel, and I'm so sorry because I didn't realize until I was kind of like already completed, and then I really wanted to kind of push my video out this week. So I am so sorry. I promise next time I'll try to do something a little bit more fun and out of my comfort zone. If you guys would like to see how I get this makeup look, please stay tuned. So we get close up, a little personal. I know you can see like all like my blemishes and like my dark circle. They're not like bad dark, but I have a lot of like fat underneath here, like on that side if I go like that. But yes, so I have a couple new stuff that I want to share to you guys today, and I don't know what color I'm going for today, but I have a couple new exciting products I would like to share to you guys. Well, I already primed my eyelid with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. So I have a few that I never actually get to show you guys on the video yet, but I actually ordered like a while ago from the Colourpop website, and I got the Nude Endo Colourpop the highlighter palette, but this one it came broken, so I kind of fixed with the alcohol, so it's still kind of like really like obvious, but overall I really love the shade of all this, and it looks really fantastic on the face. And also did get a two new eyeshadow palette as well. So the first one is the newest one that they have, is called the Give It To Me Straight. So so this is what the color looks like. Very beautiful, all like the transition color, a little bit more like the purpley side, and come with like a few like metallic color. And also the one that I've been dying like to get is the double Entrad or something eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. I think like this is like the most like beautiful like palette that Colourpop ever had, because I love this kind of shade. So you kind of have like all the warm shade and all the like metallic colors and everything, so it's kind of like really like included everything. So yes, I'm going to use this two palette for today. I don't exactly know what I'm going for, so we'll see how we're gonna pull this out. And yes, the first one I'm gonna be playing with the Colourpop, this one right here. I'm gonna be using this transition shade. I'll be using this orangey shade right here as my transition color. So after I got this, I'm going to do the cut crease, and I am going to show you guys what the products that I got and I would like to use in the video today as well. So after I got my beautiful cut crease, so I have a really exciting products, a lot of them like laying in front of my face right now. So the first one is a Starlit from the Makeup Forever. So this is what it looks like inside. Very beautiful. I'm gonna do a little bit of swatch for you guys. Okay, so this is what the swatch looks like. Very nice as well. I really like those color, especially like these right here. These three look very nice. So another things from Sephora is this two little babies right here. I was so happy that I got this, because I had my eyes on this so long on the online, the Sephora online, but I never really get a chance to what do you call that, buy these. So this one is a Smashbox Photo Edits Eyeshadow Trio in the style Pick Me. So it's the big one right here is called Fever Dream, and the top it's a pink spark and the heat spark down here. Sorry, so the pink spark and the heat spark. And also another one that I got is the photo edit eyeshadow trio in the style panoramic. So this one called On Point and Trail the Deal and I see you. C is like SEA, so like the sea, like the ocean. So they have 3 different styles, but I only got 2 because I think this one is like really beautiful. So another thing that I got from Target is this tool right here from the brand NYX. I also have their new primer and their eyeshadows as well. But yes, so this is the NYX Professional Makeup Pigment in the shade 06 and this one in the shade 20. I think we're going to use this pink right here. In order of me using the glitter, usually I put like the mixing medium first, but because this one is supposed to be almost like a pre-mix already, so you don't really have to use something underneath. But I'm gonna try to without my mixing medium first, so I'm just gonna use my MAC 242 brush to just kind of like pick the color. Okay, so it picked up nicely, really nice coated right there. Wow, this looks legit good. I'm a little shook right now because this looks like this is like the most easiest way to use glitter ever, beside my Stila, the Magnificent eyeshadow. This is like bomb. Okay, I think this is what I like right now. So I'm gonna go back to the eyeshadow palette that I use and kind of like smoke out the end a little bit so I don't look too like harsh like this. So I'm gonna be off camera to do my eyeliner, my fall lashes, and the mascara, and then I'll be right back. So I just went and did my eyeliner, my fall lashes, and my mascara. So next I'm gonna be using the primer to prime my face. So today I have something really unique as well. I think I already showed you guys on the camera, but I never really used this one. So this one is the Revlon Color Change Liquid Illuminator in the shade Halo. So this one right here. So I'm gonna show it to you guys again. Oh my god, what it looks like. It has almost like a rose gold and almost like a pearl kind of highlighter. So I saw the Gigi Gorgeous using this one as a primer and I think it looks really bomb. So I'm gonna use a little bit on like the high cheek, like a high point of my cheek right here, and same as this side. So the primer that I also been liking right now is the NYX Total Control Drop Primer. This one right here, very easy to use, very smooth feeling as well. So I'm gonna use a little bit of these on this area. So like I'm crying. So I'm gonna be off the camera to do the rest of my face, and we're gonna come back again the part where we're gonna do the highlighter. We back with almost full face. Right now we just have to do a little bit more highlighting. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Professional Pigment in the shade 06 for my inner corner highlighter, and from my face highlighter I'm gonna use something else. So I'm gonna pour this one in the cap just a little bit, since we're only gonna do like my inner corner anyway. And for the brush I like for my inner corner highlights, it's gotta be the Sigma Pencil E30, this small little tiny one. There we have a what do you call that, the highlight from my inner corner. And from my face, before I do that, I'm gonna be spraying my face a little bit with this Fake Plus. So I have a new exciting the highlighter palette that I just got today. I think they just released in the store yesterday. It's the Hyper Real Glow from MAC. So I'm gonna be using this one for my face highlighter, and I'm gonna be using this and this two mixed together. Actually, I'm gonna be mixing this two together. I'm gonna add a little bit of my Artist Couture in the shade Illuminati. I still love the eyes makeup so much. I really like the glitter that I put on my eyes. But one thing that I found out about this is I feel like it's kind of creased if you have like your eyes fold like a lot of skin, so you can see the line when you close your eye or when you look down. So right now I can see that it's kind of like creased around my inner corner for like both sides, and also it's kind of transfer on my liner a little bit, so I kind of have to like keep going, repeat my eyeliner to just kind of cover. But overall it's not that bad. It's not much of like fallouts, or it's not like falling on my lashes or anything. I don't see that yet. So I think for my lip color today, I'm gonna be using the gloss, which I already did a little bit, and I almost forgot to mention, it's from the Maybelline Wet Hot lip gloss in the shade 62 Charmer. So you can find this in like any drugstore. And yes, this is our finished look. I hope you guys like this makeup look. I am so sorry, I just realized too that I already have this kind of makeup look very similar. But yeah, so this one's a little bit different just because I really want to try like make like a first impression from like the other brands as well. And I didn't really get to use the highlighter palette, this one, so I didn't really get to try out this one at all, but I'm still gonna do a little bit of swatch for you guys. I hope you guys like this look. Really glittery, but it's not too over glittery because the glitter is like super duper fine. But yes, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channels, and also don't forget to like this video as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one. And before you leave, please don't forget to check out my previous video. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.